Alibaba's Qwen team has just dropped another bombshell on the open source AI world. Say goodbye to the old Qwen3 235B model and say hello to the new and improved Qwen3 235B A2B 257. Now, what big deal behind this ridiculously long name? Looking at their official announcement, the most crucial change is they've decided to stop using hybrid thinking mode. Instead, they are now training two separate specialized models, an instruct model and a thinking model. Their goal is to get the best quality possible by focusing each model on what it does best. Today, they've released the instruct version and it's already making huge waves. Let's get right into the numbers. Benchmark comparison against some of the top models out there, including Kimi K2, Claude Opus 4, and DeepSeek. The new Qwen Instruct model is in red, and it is absolutely dominating. Look at GPQA, it's hitting 77.5, leaving the others behind. In the IM E25 reasoning benchmark, it scores a massive 70.3, more than double its own non-thinking version and far ahead of Kimi K2. And again, in Arena Hard version 2, it's at the top with a score of 79.2. This isn't just an improvement, it's a new state of the art for open source models in these categories. Diving deeper into the full benchmark table, we can see just how well-rounded this model is. Under the knowledge section, it scores a very strong 83 on MNLU Pro and leads the pack in GPQA, Super G, PQA, and Simple QA. But look at the reasoning section. That 70.3 score on AME5 is incredible, showing its powerful logical capabilities. And in coding, it scores 51.8. So, what's powering this performance? Here's the model overview. This is a causal language model built on a mixture of experts or MOE architecture. It has a staggering 235 billion parameters in total, with 22 billion parameters being activated for any given task. It's built with 94 layers and has a massive context length. Specific release is the non-thinking instruct version. Now for the question on every developer's mind, what does it take to actually run this beast? The community is already on it. The team at Unsloth has released a guide and collab notebook for fine-tuning Qwen3, making it 2 times faster and using 70% less memory. And speaking of fine-tuning, if you haven't seen it, check out my previous video on how to fine-tune a smaller Qwen model on consumer hardware. It's a great way to learn the ropes. But for this massive 235B model, let's be realistic. For full precision inference, you're looking at needing at least 8 H100 or A100 GPUs. And that hardware doesn't come cheap. A single H100 GPU can cost around $25,000. And an RTX 4090 is more manageable for quantized versions, with market prices from $1,600 to $3,600. For most people, the best option is cloud rental, where you can rent an H100 for about $2 to $3 per hour. But what if you could access this model's power completely for free without any of that hardware? This is where OpenRouter comes in. It's a service that provides a unified API for hundreds of AI models. And as you can see right here, the new Qwen3 model is available for free. All you have to do is sign up, go to your account settings, and create a new API key. Just give it a name, create it, and copy the key. Now you can use this key with any OpenAI compatible library, or even better, directly inside your code editor. Let's start with an incredible open source tool called Cline. head over to Cline, come and click Install Cline. We'll choose VS Code, which opens the extension for installation. Once installed, a welcome screen guides you through a quick sign-in. Now, in the Cline sidebar, click the Settings gear. Under API Provider, select OpenRouter. Paste in that free API key we just created. For the model, search for Qwen and select the new 235B free model. I'll also sort providers by price to ensure we use the free tier. That's it. A top-tier AI agent is now configured in VS Code. Let's give it an agentic task. I have a full stack project open, and my prompt is simple: analyze the project. Cline immediately creates a to-do list, analyze structure, identify components, examine backend, and so on. It then executes that plan, reading the project files. And here's a real-world lesson: a K429 rate limit error. The free tier on OpenRouter is limited to 5 requests per minute. After finishing, it gives a complete project analysis overview, architecture, key features, and the tech stack, an incredibly powerful way to understand a new code base. Now, Cline is fantastic, but it's not the only option. Let's look at another powerful open source AI agent called Kilo Code. Go to Kilo Code, come and install the VS Code extension from the marketplace. Once installed, you'll see its welcome screen. Huge bonus: when you create a free account, Kilo Code gives you $20 worth of tokens to use across any model. You get $5 in credits immediately and can come back later for another 15. This is perfect for testing premium models without needing your own API key. After signing up, let's configure it. In the Kilo Code settings, let's give it the exact same task. Analyze the project. Kilo Code creates its own dynamic to-do list and gets to work. You can see it checking off each step as it reads the files and understands the code base. And here's the final report. Just like Cline, it produces a beautifully structured, comprehensive analysis of the entire project. This is another incredible example of how these new agentic tools can leverage top-tier models like Qwen3. So there you have it. The new Qwen3 235B model is a true powerhouse, setting a new standard for open source AI. And with incredible free-to-try tools like Cline and Kilo Code, combined with the accessibility of OpenRouter, its power is no longer just for massive corporations. It's available for you to use right now. What do you think of this new release? Let me know in the comments below. So, outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI tools and models. See you in the next one.